Everyone is waiting for your smile. The nation wants to see.
I was smiling enough today.
Ooh, Pulkit, I love that.
He saw one match, he got a scoop shot, he won the Crick Social, so they're going to win the IPL.
That's it.
यार ये DRS वाला जो है ना बहुत ट्रिकी है भरत, पूरी शाम हो जाएगी इसको नहीं मिलेगा.
At a score 100 कहाँ भाई?
Chennai will come last.
I don't like him at all.
Yeah, even I don't like
we
him
were
at
poles
all.
apart.
True deserving captain of T20 cricket India, you know.
150%.
You all know that Sameer has his own channel, by the way. Welcome to the Tapri, everybody. Chai.
Thank you.
I'm drinking my chamomile tea.
Oh my God. I
I
don't know
know.
what that is, but it sounds very fancy. We're going to start with a plug. Yep. Everyone is protecting themselves from AI and following their passion. Sameer has his own tennis channel on YouTube.
I stopped the blogs because I became more modern. I became Gen Z.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Next is
Not-
next is
Gen
TikTok.
Z?
It's called Ace at Deuce. You can look it up.
The number one tennis player in this chat is already following you, I think, Sameer. He's hooked on.
Yeah, I can't figure out, man.
इसको मिल ही
अरे-
नहीं रहा
Take
है.
it
इसको
separately.
इसको पूरी शाम हो जाएगी इसको नहीं मिलेगा.
Before we start, let me ask people, who do you think is the most prepared for this night?
Not
Who's
me.
most
Pulkit, तूने अपनी बीवी का नाम नहीं लिया, I'm
Yeah,
surprised.
TV has a tendency to surprise everyone, so let's see.
Most
Wait, so-
prepared is me.
prepared?
Self-aware, self-confident,
He believes in himself.
and that's a perfect cue to share the scoreboard again, ताकि you can select who you're targeting. It's good to have like short-term goals, क्योंकि कुछ लोग ने ज़्यादा गेम खेली है. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. So
No one got a 21 pointer?
not yet, though 21-point events have happened, but somehow we have not picked it.
Overall, you only have 421 points.
Pulkit, while explaining the game, he's showing me those 4 cards, and I realized it has only 4 cards, and I quickly picked mine. And then he's like, "I'm not playing this game." And then I had to put it back, and then he took the first chance, and then I took the second.
When Bishnoi had taken 4 wickets in 2.2 overs, I was sure I was going to get 21 points. Then he got no more wickets.
Let's start. Okay, everyone, show your 21-point card. Bhumika and Nishita common, and looks like Pulkit's the odd one out. Okay, with 3 or more wickets in an over, and Bharat and Sameer are common. Okay, good. Into 13-pointer. And Sameer are same. The rest 3.
At a score 100 कहाँ भाई?
Bharat and I are the same.
In
Chances of 100 are higher than the chances of a scoop shot.
I was looking for that card, but that apparently is like a 5-pointer, right?
That's a 5-pointer.
An over with 2 wickets,
Nice.
and the other one is DRS with out.
यार ये DRS वाला जो है ना बहुत ट्रिकी है भरत से.
Interesting.
मैंने बहुत
Yeah.
सोचा. I was like, that's damn tricky, man.
Nah, I gotta be loyal, man. This got
Being a CSK fan, I have full faith that this will work.
Dhoni fan who has roots in Calcutta,
I
Punjabi at heart. So he's actually 3 franchise guy.
Yeah.
don't have loyalty as such, but having seen Mumbai Indians, they are so deep in batting.
Yeah.
All in.
Ek match
Major.
dekh ke, he saw one match, he got a scoop shot, he won the Crick Social, so they're going to win the IPL.
That's it.
it.
Start.
My
He might
story
even win the
cannot
cup.
be as clear as this.
He's like, I'll stay with the winning formula. That is
Hashtag
why I will
Ambani.
never go for Mumbai Indians, I think.
You also have to follow your son's love for the Royals. Is that it?
I mean, that's my son's love, but mine has always been Punjab because of
Yeah.
my affinity to Mohali.
what's the affinity to Mohali?
I can see the stadium from my house in Kasoli.
See the stadium from Kasol? Oh wow! I've actually played there in district under 13s.
Oh, very nice. So is that why
Yeah.
you are also cheering for Punjab?
He's, I think, Delhi guy.
I mostly go with the underdogs, but this year, yeah,
Chennai.
I'm trying to
Chennai
go
is
with
an
Delhi
underdog?
Capital.
Chennai will come last.
With Bhumika, I'm a Punjab Kings fan. Just for, I think, not the affinity to Mohali in general, but affinity to Preeti Zinta and Ricky Ponting, I would say, as the coach. Because I've watched while growing up when he used to play in the early 2000s with my dad, he and Brett Lee. So I remember those matches, India-Australia. So that's why I have an affinity to Punjab Kings. And of course, Shreyas Iyer and Arshdeep are great.
Nice, Nishita.
Nishita. Love it. And we have so many
But
Punjab
what's
fans.
with
This
Preeti
Tapri
Zinta?
is Punjab
Like,
heavy.
Did your homework 5 minutes prior to the game? Huh?
I think out of
Mumbai tend to come back in the business end of the tournament always. So even if they start slow, they
That's
just
true.
they come back from nowhere, season after season.
Both the captains of the T20 World Cup final now report to Hardik Pandya.
Oh yeah.
If you were to ask me, Hardik Pandya was the true deserving captain of T20 cricket India.
150%.
I was waiting
Yeah.
for Hardik Pandya to come up. I know who's the biggest lover of Pandya on this group.
I am, yeah, sure.
PW.
I mean,
Amazing.
he's done everything possible to deserve that.
I think
captaincy.
after
And
Yuvraj
I
Singh,
don't like him at all.
Yeah, even I don't like
we are
him at
poles
all.
apart in
No,
this.
no.
after
he's quite
Yuvraj Singh,
phenomenal.
I think Hardik
He
Pandya is the
comes
most
in and he
valuable
always
white ball player.
delivers.
And you know
Always
why I stopped liking him when he came on Coffee with Karan
Bas.
and the comments he made.
Yeah.
After that, I couldn't get over these comments.
उसकी
So no
फितरत
matter
फितरत है.
what he does on play, like he's an excellent player, and that's why Pulkit loves him. But I just can't love him as a person,
No, we don't love him as
So
a
that's
person,
it.
Nishita.
Yeah.
We only love him as a player only.
as a player.
But
I don't think I like
when
him
he
as a
has
player
to
also.
perform, he will come and do whatever
Yeah.
it takes. Whether it's batting, bowling. He's a true all-rounder.
Coffee
You're
spilt.
now, Nishita. Give him another
Coffee
chance.
spill.
Yuvraj Singh and Hardik Pandya have given more to India than anybody has. They show up
And-
everywhere. 100% bat, ball, fielding, everything.
He scores 40 of 20 balls, you'll be happy, Nishita. And he'll get you points. You'll win. Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions.
Means everyone is waiting for your smile. The nation wants to see.
I was smiling enough today.
Ooh, Pulkit, I love that.
Toota dil hai yaar.
You're gonna